Hey champions, you're welcome to another video on this channel. In today's video, I'll be taking you step by step on how to add an admin on a Facebook page. The first step is to open your Facebook app. Then you come to your Facebook profile picture, switch to the page that you're trying to add an admin to. So once you switch to the page, once again, you locate the menu button. It can either be at the bottom or at the top. Now, click on this menu button. Then you scroll down to settings here. Click on settings and privacy. Then you click on settings again. That is this one right here. Click on it. Then allow it to load. This particular place, page settings, you have to click on it again. So it will now bring you to this page. You just have to scroll down and locate new page experience. Under this new page experience, you see this one, page access. That's what we are working on. So click on page access. Page access, and you can see this is where you can now add an admin. So you can add with people with that access, or you can add people that can run adverts, view your insights, or delete the page. So you have to be sure that this person you are adding have the accurate control on this page. In this task, you just click on add new. If you want the person to be able to run adverts and view your insights, click on this add new, and you have to read this. Make sure you are okay with it. Once you are okay with it, click on next. Then here, you now search for the person you want to add as an admin. So the thing is, you have to be sure that the person you are trying to add as an admin is following the page already. So just come here and search for the person. Let me add this my account. Now, just click on the name. Now, you now see that this person can manage following content, message and call, community ads, and insights. So you can just give access, or if you want, you can give this person full control. So it's still my account, I give full control. Then give access. So here now, it will just ask you for your account password. That is the password you use to log in into your account. Enter the password. Then confirm. So once you confirm, you can see that an invitation has been sent to this profile now, and you see that it's showing that invite expires in 31 days. So once this person accepts this invite, they can be managing the Facebook page, and that is that. If you find this helpful, remember to subscribe to my page, and I will see you in the next video.